Here we discuss about the life process. Discussing before the life process, try to solve these questions. Let us discuss about the nutrition.
On the basis of how plants and animals get their food, they are classified as autotrophs and heterotrophs. Identify the given plants and animals as autotrophs or heterotrophs by tapping on the left or right arrows. The plant tissue system is the functional unit that connects all the organs of a plant, such as the stem, roots, and leaves. This tissue system consists of dermal tissues, vascular tissues, and ground tissues. Tap on each to learn more. Photosynthesis is a process by which autotrophs take in nutrition from the environment and convert it into energy. Let's understand how this process works in plants. Since photosynthesis takes place in the leaves, we will learn how different parts of a leaf absorb the components required for photosynthesis. Tap on each to learn more. Single-celled organisms such as amoeba eat algae, bacteria, plant cells, and microscopic protozoa by surrounding tiny particles of food with pseudopods or false feet. Once the food is engulfed, it is absorbed in a bubble-like food vacuole, which digests the food. This food is used by the nucleus to control the growth of the amoeba. The human digestive system is a series of glands and organs that process the food to release energy. The digestive system is essentially a long twisting tube that runs from the mouth to the anus and is called the human alimentary canal. Tap on the various parts of this canal and understand their specific functions.
Here discuss about the respiration.
In anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not necessary, although it can take place in the presence of oxygen. Pyruvic acid, which consists of 3 carbon molecules, is then converted into other products. Anaerobic respiration is also known as fermentation. The human respiratory system consists of organs that perform specific functions in inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. The oxygen from the lungs is carried to different parts of the body through hemoglobin. Tap on the labels to understand the respiratory system in detail. Identify the properties of anaerobic and aerobic respiration by dragging them to their respective columns. Well done!
Let's discuss about the transportation.
In plants, water gets absorbed by the roots from the soil and is transported to the different parts through xylem tissues. The leaves have small pores called stomata which allow the water to escape into the atmosphere in the form of vapor. This loss of water from the plant is called transpiration. Let's look at the process of transportation of water in plants. During photosynthesis, plants produce carbohydrates or sugars. This is produced in the mesophyll cells of leaves, which contain lots of chloroplast, the organelle where photosynthesis occurs. The sugar and some other nutrients are needed by the plant's roots, stems, seeds, flowers, and fruits, collectively known as the sink of the plant. The movement of food and nutrients from leaves to other parts of the plant is known as translocation. Let's look at the process of transportation of food in plants. Tap on the components of phloem tissue to understand the transportation of food. Tap on the steps in the sequence to understand the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide through blood. Tap on the components responsible for the transportation of blood to understand their specific functions. Tap, tap on the labels. Blood pressure is the force exerted by blood on the walls of the blood vessels. Arteries which carry the blood away from the heart have higher blood pressure than veins through which blood returns to the heart. The blood pressure in the arteries when they contract is called systolic pressure and is called diastolic pressure when they relax. The instrument used to calculate blood pressure is known as a sphygmomanometer. Tap on the play button to see how blood pressure is calculated.